Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Two Phones, back again with another informative video. Um, I did have a question on my Facebook. So, no, I didn't have a question. I put a question out there on my Facebook page. Um, like I said, a lot of people, I talked about this in live streams. I talked about this on Facebook. A lot of people don't realize that your boy, aka Two Phones, used to make, beats, used to make music, on the internet. And, I used to, you know, collab with a few people on the internet and, make music. So, yeah, I'm going to show you this website called, for those that are being inspired to make their own music, for those wanting to get into the music game or online music game, that is with creating music. It's an application called, a website called SoundNation.com. Make music online. You can record, mix, and share music together with millions of SoundNation users. You can try the studio for free. They do have, freemiums as well as anybody else. If you heard of Free Loops, you heard of Reasons, the one from Sonic. I mean, not Sonic, the one from Sony. GarageBand from Apple. So there's a lot of ways you can produce music, you can create music, um, you can record sound, vocals, and things like that, and add sound effects and such. So this is another free site that you can you know put it to the test. A lot of the stuff they have is 100% you know free. It's mainly samples and things of that sort. So uh, you won't get copyright infringements with using this. So they got Studio for Chrome, they got Studio for Flash, and things of that sort. And Sound Nation for education. There you go. They got features and requirements. You can check that out. They have a site for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Google Plus. Um, yeah, so now I don't read all that expensive stuff that you see today's artists, or you see today's you know producers and stuff use. Um, you learn about this site. Yeah, there you go. Foundation, Foundation Studio is a powerful tool for creating music online. And even though we have always been, trying to keep it as simple as possible, it can seem a little scary for new users like yourself without prior experience in audio. That is why we created this, the learning section here on Foundation.com. So you got the effects. Foundation comes with a bunch of built-in effects, and this section you can learn a lot of. So the effects, they got videos, tutorials, um, how to use yourself story, uh, popular topics, mix down your songs, use the virtual instruments, record, use the effects, use automation. Then you got how to's, like I said, once again, tutorials and all that stuff like that. Community tab. Let's see what the community tab is all about. Um, okay, so feature tracks are picked by SoundNation team. You can help them out by posting tracks that you think deserves a feature and a recommendation feature group. So they have a community right here, and yeah, as you can see, yeah, you guys you can probably get some big hits. So the highest view is like the highest place is 4,000. So the people I know, I'm pretty sure you get like 5 or 10,000. That's the feature for right now. That's what's trending. Maybe they're even better. 900 plays, so you guys can do better. The ones that make music, you guys will be guys on Soundtation. This this is where it is. Maybe it's difficult. I'm not sure. I haven't been on here in a minute, so you got you can purchase kits, sets. You know, if you're into that type of thing, some got some $5 a seat, 13 bucks. They got kits, $4. So Future Tech House. So there you have it. They have their own sound shop. They got studio plugins. Let me see if I can click on it. Yeah, studio plugins only for $20. Oh man, you can rack up like literally like all you guys out here that's doing this beat stuff. You're doing it wrong. Go to Soundation. They have some cheap plugins. Wow, I'm helping you guys. I'm a tech guy. I'm helping you out. So yeah, want to check out pricings for subscriptions. Oh wow, this is not bad at all. Get a full professional music experience, and the most popular one is $6.99 a month. You get unlimited projects, virtual instruments, more than 12,000 loops and effects, record live audio, import audio. You got 5 gigabytes worth of audio storage, and you got 20 included sound sets. So, man, this is not bad. I mean, if you think about it, $72 a year just to use this online, I mean, all you need is internet. Okay, so that's it, man. That's insane. Okay, so yeah, that's insane. Y'all check that out. Soundnation. Check out soundnation.com. All right. So this is a way to make music for free, record music for free, and share music online. Soundnation. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy Two Phones. I'm out.